Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a 50 kilogram Cnfans haul. If you guys want any items, check that link in the description. This link, the spreadsheet and the sign up link. Make sure you sign up because of course you're gonna get $20 cheaper shipping, so you're gonna save money and you're supporting me. And now let's start with a video. On to the first item, we got this Gucci cardigan that you guys can see. I've already unboxed this because it arrived in like a small hole and I didn't know what was inside, but now let's put it on. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh shit, you guys just saw my underwear. You know, let me show you. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like roughly when I have it on. Of course, I cannot really show you because I have to adjust the camera every time. But honestly, this is super great and this comes at the price of what, 70 bucks. Just take a look at the material on it. Super good. And honestly, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. But we gotta move on because we got a lot of items. On to the next item, we got this LV bag. Just take a look at the material on it. This was around about $230, but of course it's gonna be expensive because the quality on it is insane. And just take a look at it. We also have the stuff inside. I put some plushies inside so you guys can roundabout see how it looks like. This is how it looks like in the hand. I don't know if this is the big version of it, but honestly, for the money you're paying, this is pure quality and 100% worth it. You also get the receipts with it and stuff like that, like 10 receipts, which is crazy. And yeah, now let's move on. On to the next item. I think we have a Goyard, what is it called? Bag. Now let me show you how this looks like. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like. This comes at the price of around about $6, by the way. Just take a look at the quality of this item. You even have the Goyard branding like in the middle of it. And on the inside, yeah, it looks something like this. Just take a look at the material of it. And honestly, for $8, guys, what are you waiting for? Check it out. But yeah, you can put like, I think this is made for MacBook, so you can put your MacBook inside or any laptop. It has to be thin though. And honestly, 100% a cop. On to the next item, we got a bunch of chrome hearts rings. By the way, these were like $3 each. I ordered a bunch of sizes because I didn't know what size is gonna fit me. And these are, by the way, made stainless steel. Of course, your skin's not gonna turn green. Now let me have a look. This shit takes so much to unbox. Let me just unbox all of them. It's gonna take some time. Ay. What the fuck am I doing? By the way, they come in a bunch of plastic bags, just so you guys know. So we finally got, I think, everything unboxed. As you guys can see, a handful of rings. They all fell over, but let me just show you this one. Take a look at this one. This one was $3, by the way. Stainless steel. The quality on it is insane. You even have the chrome hearts branding on the inside. And honestly, for the price you're paying, this is super crazy. On to the next one, we have this one. Just take a look at it. Looks super good. They don't fit all my fingers, but I've ordered it so I can wear them with multiple fingers. Let's take a look at this one. Looks super crazy, my guys. And on to the next one, we have I bought multiple of the same one, I don't know why. On to the next one, we got this one, which looks super beautiful and only for the price of what? $3, it's crazy. Yeah, and look how good they're fitting. Look how good they're fitting, honestly. Couldn't really complain. They got the same ring again, but this one's without the diamonds. It looks also super crazy. And here we have a chain. Oh, no, wait. Yeah. And here we got a chain from Chrome Hearts, which you like put onto your jeans, which is also super sleek for like 15 bucks. Can't really complain it. And honestly, these rings look so good, guys. You can wear them anywhere. And now let's move on. On to the next one, we got another ring. Let me show you this shit. And by the way, this is also real silver. I paid 20 euros for it and looks super good. And honestly, you can't complain about it. You also get a cleaning pad so you can clean your ring. You also get a cleaning bag so you can clean your rings. And now let's move on. On to the next one, we got a Rolex. Yes, a Rolex, as you guys can see. This watch was $250 bucks. Now let's check it out. It also comes with like a receipt, which is kind of cool. And it also comes with a bag, which you guys can check it. And now let's check on it. It opens up like this. Damn, it doesn't even have that gluey smell. It actually smells like a Rolex box. Don't ask me where I know this, I got rich friends. It smells like money. Are you guys ready? Damn, what do we have here? Now let me take it out, because this shit looks fire. So I finally got to watch the unboxing. Just take a look at the quality of it. This looks super crazy, look at it from the side. And here you can check out all the branding it has onto it. And honestly, this is super good. This is like the best on the market when it comes to clones. And honestly, worth all the money that I've paid for. Unfortunately, because I have such a small wrist, I have to remove them, but honestly, a cop. On to the next item, we got some Cortez sweats, because of course winter's coming around the corner and we don't want to wear denim all day. These came honestly at the price of roundabout, if I'm not sure, 20 bucks, and just take a look at the tags. The quality looks super good, and this is what the logos look like. And now let's put them on. Honestly, this is what they look like, and I honestly think they're super comfy if you want like a clean trekkie. This is what the side logo with the Cortez, and on the side you have like the big Cortez logo. And honestly, you know what? I thought if we're gonna get the Cortezes, we might as well get some LV skates. So of course I needed to get myself some LV skates. Now let me show you the quality of them. These are the most expensive batch. I think these go for around about $73, but the quality on them is insane. It doesn't even have that gluey smell. And honestly, if you want to rock them with something clean, these are perfect. And yeah, now let's check on the next items, because we got a lot of them. So on to the next item, we got some Metra hoodie. Now let's put this stuff on and let's see what it looks like. I liked it when I saw the picture of this, but now let's see what this looks like in person. When I put it on, what do you guys think? Does this stuff look good? Honestly, I kind of like it and I kind of don't like it. Material wise, this is what the cuffs look like. If you have some chrome arch rings, I would 100% attach these, because of course they're gonna look good with any fit. But honestly, what are you guys thinking? W or L? Now on to the next item, we got some Nike socks. These are around about $1 if I'm not sure, and honestly for that money I don't even care. I'm just gonna order a bunch of them. Quality is just like the retail, and yeah, move on. On to the next haul, we got these Chrome Hearts pants. These were around about $30 if I'm not sure, because I got these because another creator had them, and honestly the quality is insane on it, as you guys can see. It has no branding though, which is unfortunate, but I don't really care, because if it looks similar, it's always good. And now let's put this shit on and let me show you. Don't record my ass. As you guys can see, this is how the pants look like. Honestly, a 10 out of 10. And for the money you're paying, can't even complain, like what the hell. And now let's move on. On to the next item, we got a Chinese jacket. I think this jacket was around about 50 bucks. Let me just put it on and let me show you guys. Let me put it in. 1 second. As you guys can see, this is what the jacket looks like on. Honestly, it looks super cool, super sleek design. Never seen stuff like this. By the way, this is high quality material. Just take a look at the material, and this came only at the price of $50, which is a complete steal. And if you guys want to check that space. On to the next item, we have this Acme Studio cap. Now let's check it out. Let me see what a cap looks like on me. You guys want some hot dogs with some fries? This is what a cap looks like when I'm wearing a cap. Honestly, I look like a baseball player, like the swing bat. And honestly, I mean, I don't know if caps look good on you. They don't look good on me. I would 100% get these. Big words. What the fuck? I look like Humpty Dumpty. That's crazy. On to the next item, we got some chrome arch pieces. I don't even know what these look like. I don't think. Oh shit, here we have a chrome hearts long sleeve. As you guys see, it looks something like this. What does the material look like? It's alright. These are like 20 bucks each. Now let me put it on and let me show you what it looks like.
Let me show you what it looks like. Give me that thing.
This is what the long sleeves look like when you're wearing them. Honestly, I give myself a 10 out of 10 how I look in this fit. Of course, I'm gonna be rocking the biceps that I don't have. But just take a look at them. It looks super nice. I think it's too big. You guys tell me if it's too big, but honestly, I fuck with it so much. I look like bread scales, but yeah, now let's move on to the next item. I think we have a tracksuit from Metra, if I'm not sure. Okay, there's only the hoodie. What the fuck? Where are the pants? What? Give me a second. This is how it's fitting me. Honestly, I don't really know if this stuff fits me or not. But I don't know where my pants is. I think they just forgot my package. I think this was like 20 bucks, honestly, and yeah, it's worth the money. On to the next thing, we have the $5 LV scarf. As you guys can see, let me show you how you put this stuff on. Well, holy shit, this shit is big. How the this smells like shit. As you guys see now, I got a durag on. What do you guys think? I look sexy, right? But yeah, honestly, this scarf was around about $5, and honestly, for the price you're paying, complete steal. On to the next item, we have some Pepe Studio pants. Now let me show you what these look like. On to the next item, we have some sweatpants. Just take a look at the logo. Now let's put this stuff on and let's see what it looks like. Honestly, this shit's super comfy for the money you're paying. But I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing this unless I'm at the airport. But for $20, you're doing nothing wrong. And now let's move on. On to the next item, we got these Derschutze pants. Just take a look at them. Let me show you the button, because this shit's crazy. Look at it. And honestly, for the money you're paying, this fits super well. I'm not gonna put them on right now, but this is like an example picture what it looks like. I also got a headache because the lights in front of me are killing me for some reason. And yeah, honestly, for $25, super heated steel. Yeah, so on to the next item, we have a Lego set. Here you can see, like, scan the QR code if you wanna get like the Lego building thingy. And yeah, this was, I think this was the Rolls-Royce. Put on the screen what it looks like, and this was like $6, so 100% cop. And on to the last two items, we have a Balenciaga passport. This passport ran me around about $15, as you guys can see. Here you can store in your passport, which is super nice. You have like the Balenciaga logo. And honestly, for the price paid, 100% copable. Finally, we're at the last item. We got this Goyard watch holder where you can like put in your watches and it looks cool. Here's like an example picture for only $15. So yeah, if you guys want any items, check out the spreadsheet, and now peace out.